Hello, everyone. Happy new week of online learning. We are going to end poetry now. I had so much fun reading all your poems. I was truly blown away by how amazing and thoughtful they were for sixth graders. It was the highlight of every day reading those poems. So thank you so much for putting all your heart and soul and energy into those poems, because I know you did. So we are gonna now move into a informational research project, and I'm really excited. I cannot wait to see the topics you guys choose and what you come up with for your final project. I just think this is going to be a great way to keep going with the online learning, hopefully get you guys excited and kind of motivated again if you're kind of lagging and feeling maybe not motivated. And I am really stoked about it. So again, same format. You're going to go to the calendar every day and you're going to read the directions. You are going to watch the screencast video that has the lesson that goes over what you'll be doing for each day, and then you'll complete the activity on Google Classroom. You have a lot of Google Forms this week, and your final, end of the week thing that's really important is your project proposal that you're going to, there's kind of 2 steps for that. So if you guys follow the directions closely for each day and make sure you watch the lesson, there should be no issues. But again, I am here for you. Please email me if you have any questions. I know it's like one extra step and it's more easy to just be like, I'm just gonna not do it right or just wing it. But with this project, you want to make sure that you are reaching out if you have any questions. So there's that. Yes, I cannot wait. I'm really excited. Hopefully there's a topic for everybody. So there are a bunch of topics you get to choose. You're going to explore via Padlet, and you're just going to, choose your topic. And then if you click on that topic, there's a plethora of articles to read through. You're going to read, and take notes on some articles and then come up with your research project proposal. So that's this week. We won't start really collecting a lot of our materials or starting on our project until the next 2 weeks. This week is really just getting familiar with your topic. You're going to solidify which means narrow focus your topic by coming up with 3 research questions. Again, we have an example project, an example project proposal. So if you have any questions, look at those examples and you can mirror them or, just have it inspire you and be a template to come up with your own. I miss you guys from the bottom of my heart. My heart aches with loneliness. I don't like just teaching into a webcam. I way rather have you guys make funny comments and raise your hand at inappropriate times and, make a joke in the middle of class than teach this way. But I'm really proud of you all again for getting through this and staying focused and staying motivated. I'm here for you. If you need me, just send me an email, or we can set up a Microsoft Teams one-on-one chat. So that's always available for you. Have fun this week researching your topic and cannot wait to see what you guys come up with. Have a great rest of your day. Bye, guys.